welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year! Today is New Year, 1st of January, so I thought I'll vlog today even though it's just for 5 minutes. I'm gonna show you because I had this tradition of like जब मैं इंडिया में थी तो I used to visit temple. मैं हमेशा 1st जनवरी को ट्राई करती थी कि मैं टेंपल जा पाऊँ. तो यहाँ पे हिंदू टेंपल तो है नहीं, so me, Meenakshi, my roommate, and my friend Amandin, we are all going to a Buddhist temple so that we can see Buddha and pray for our well-being and people we love. और आप सबके लिए भी. And I wish all of you a very happy, healthy, blessed New Year. आप की जो भी wishes है वो सब पूरी हों and you grow into a better person, better version of yourself. And today is my mom's birthday too, so happy birthday Mimi! And चलते हैं, आपको भी दिखाते हैं यहाँ का temple so that you also can take the blessings of Buddha. And चलो चलते हैं. So we took the subway first and यहाँ से मेरी friend जो है वो cash निकाल रही है. उसका card में पैसे ख़त्म हो गए हैं, लाइक जो ट्रैवल कार्ड है उसमें. सो हमें यहाँ से, क्योंकि जो टेम्पल हम जा रहे हैं दैट इज़ क्वाइट फार फ्रॉम बुसान. इट इज़ इन बुसान बट लाइक एट द एंड ऑफ द बुसान, सो इट्स इन यांगसान. सो वी नीड टू बाय लाइक बस टिकट्स फ्रॉम नोपो. सो हम यहाँ पे नोपो में आ गए एंड वी विल बाय द टिकट्स एंड आई थिंक इट्स हाफ एन आवर जर्नी इन द बस एंड देन वी विल गेट डाउन एट द टेम्पल. तो चलते हैं साथ में एंड आई शो यू. This is the ticket we got. We need to run क्योंकि बस निकलने वाली है थोड़ी देर में. So we are running. Girls say hi. Turn back and say hi. Hi. See, they still have the Christmas decoration. It's so pretty. But we are late, so run. So we are going now to the temple. हम लोगों ने बस छोड़ दी है. And now, oh, it's too much. Yeah, there are like so many people going today. Like they are all visiting temple. So all the roads are just blocked. Not blocked, like the traffic is slow. So we are going and it's cold but it's nice. It's not too cold seeing it's Korea and it's Busan. Why are you talking without me? Include me in your talk. I'm having FOMO.
It's perfect to hide.
Yeah, it's not too cold, right? And there are like so many restaurants here. This place is like, I think it's famous. Oh, it's such a big hotel. I did not expect they will have like this kind of. I'll show you the area. Such a nice hotel. They have like a lot of gyeongjam and lot of local restaurants you can eat. And जहाँ पे हम लोग जा रहे हैं ना वहाँ पे टेम्पल एरिया के पास में लाइक एक बिबिम्बाप प्लेस है जहाँ पे वेजिटेरियन बिबिम्बाप मिलता है. सो हमने डिसाइड किया हम वहाँ पे जाके वो खाएंगे. तो अभी हम चलते हैं एंड आई विल सेव माई एनर्जी, इसलिए आई विल नॉट रिकॉर्ड मोर क्योंकि मैं चल नहीं पाऊँगी. वी नीड टू वॉक फॉर लाइक 4 kilometers. सो या सो मेनी पीपल केम टू विजिट द टेम्पल टुडे. और यहाँ पे इतनी अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है, लाइक द फ्रेग्रेंस. इट स्मेल्स लाइक natural sandalwood kind of incense stick kind of flavor. I don't know what it is but it's really good and so many people came. यहाँ पे like the energy is so different. See the ajumas, they are going so cute. Everyone is visiting the temple. See this area looks so nice, natural. The energy is really good. Oh, they have written something in Chinese on these stones. It's encarved, right? It's encarving, right? Yeah. So nice, but they have actually preserved it so well. It's really nice. Annyeonghaseyo. Are you a tourist there?
No. We are residents of this country, Meenakshi.
You are Busan Sara.
It's been 1 year.
Busan Sara Waja. People are praying here. It's so nice. Agarbatti, like incense sticks. It smells so beautiful. So how can it smell beautiful? I'm saying it smells so beautiful, but it can. Well, yeah. This is so nice. यहाँ पे, like they have cafes here in Hanok style, and it's like the natural flowing river, kind of सूखी हुई river, but it's really pretty. And जो खुशबू आ रही है ना, like it's so nice. It's so good. अलग ही positivity feel हो रही है. I'll show you more of this. This is not even just the temple. यहाँ पे like कोई exhibition type का कुछ था from 30th November to 29th December, and for now it's closed. But it looks so nice and pretty. And it's not the main temple. I don't know what is this rare fruit. Looks like apple, but I don't know what it is. It's so beautiful. And that's like the main entrance. To take like that. Looks, it's so nice. Let's go. Lanterns and lamps. Yeah. It's in all the languages. No, the English, yeah, this is the English one. English, Chinese, and the Korean one. Wishes over there. There's a New Year wish. It's so nice. That's the entrance, and they had the protector of the temple, fort protector. And वहाँ पे सब pray करते थे, इसलिए I did not record that. I will not record the parts where we are not supposed to, because यहाँ पे लोग pray करने के लिए आते हैं. So I'll try whatever I can, but other than that I will not. I want to keep the peace and integrity of the temple. It's so beautiful. Wishing here. यहाँ पे लोग wish मांग रहे हैं. It's so pretty. The small. Thank you. We will make a wish. Let me try. Let's Meenakshi. Oh, it fell. Let me try. Give me a tip.
Yeah, you got it.
See, this specific Buddha is like the medicine Buddha, as it says here. In Hindi, the Bhaisajya Guru. Like the Bhaisajya means actually pharmacy. How cool is that? When I started my pharmacy degree, one of my professor, he told that pharmacy in Hindi is called Bhaisajya Vigyan. And it's Bhaisajya Guru, the medicine Buddha, who elevates the suffering of sentient beings and helps them to live longer. While original, oh, it's so cool. A glimpse of him so that you can all be healthy. How it's painted beautifully. 통도사 영화전. I hope all of you get blessings of Buddha on New Year's Day, and your whole year will be blessed. Avalokiteshvara. This is the oldest temple. क्योंकि ये जहाँ पे मतलब it is the biggest temple in Korea, Buddhist temple. और ये अब तक ये इतना पुराना है कि इसको इसके natural उसमें इंटैक्ट रखा गया है, प्रिजर्व करके. इसलिए आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे पेंट भी निकल गया है. यूजुअली सारे बुद्धिस्ट टेम्पल पे पेंट्स होते हैं. यहाँ पे देखो ये इतना पुराना है कि इट्स लाइक गॉन, पेंट ही चला गया है. बट इट्स सो पीसफुल. अंदर वहाँ पे पूजा चल रही थी. अंदर वहाँ पे बुद्धा जी के एक्चुअल जो रेलिक्स हैं, जो चीज़ें वो यूज़ करते थे, वो है अंदर, और उनकी पूजा हो रही है. सब लोग, इतने सारे लोग प्रे कर रहे हैं. So it felt really nice. हम लोग भी जाके pray करके आए. So that's it. So we are having the bibimbap. That's really, it's like everything is vegetable bibimbap. And we will also have a Korean pancake kind of buchimge soon. 잘 먹겠습니다. The pancake that we ordered. So now we will just eat because we are so hungry.
어차피 앞에 많이 하고 있었잖아.
It's not behind the scene.
Behind the scene for the perfect beauty,
Okay then.
for the Yepin Yuja,
Shut up, madam.
for the prettiest girl in the whole world and the universe.
What if I fall? I was about to fall, you know?
I mean,
Is it okay? So we are back at Nopo, Busan. हम लोगों ने वहाँ से बस ली. Actually हम वहाँ से आ रहे थे and we found a Korean guy. He was with an Indian family. There was an Indian uncle and his wife. So they all started talking to us. So I forgot to record the ending of this video. But now kapchaki suddenly I remembered. So we are here. Mandir, Meenakshi, and you know, कल हम लोगों ने बहुत ही कमाल की चीज़ try की. We tried a really amazing thing yesterday. Like we made Amandin try pani puri, golgappe, and for the first time, and we were so excited to see her reaction. If you all are excited to see her reaction as well, watch this video till the end because I'm gonna attach the whole part where she tried it. But let's ask her, how did she like it? How was it?
I really liked it. I didn't know what to expect because we don't have anything like that.
Like
in
the
France.
around, yeah.
So
It was
yeah.
crispy.
Yeah, crispy
She
on
was
the
like-
outside, like the liquid inside, and like
She was calling pani as soup. She's like, give me the soup. I'm like, you are the only person who's calling pani as soup, but it's really creative and it's really nice, and she had so much fun with every bite. She was like,
Yeah, and I was like, why didn't you make it for me before?
yeah. She's like, why now? Why after 1 year?
Yeah, I had to wait 1 year for that. Am I not your best friend?
So she really loved it, and you should see her reaction in the end. And now we are going to go back, and she made a really good chocolate cake that we are going to finish now once we go home.
they should watch Mandir's YouTube channel too.
Yeah, let me tell you, she is a big Dora the Explorer. But a fun one. She is not like Dora. She is a real explorer, and she go to like all the places in. She traveled so far in like this whole 1 year. She traveled a lot of places in Korea, and in Japan, and like she will be going to other places too. And if you are really into traveling and like seeing the places in Korea and even outside Korea, like Japan and stuff, you should follow her, and I will leave her channel's link in the description, and do check her out. And she's the sweetest. Just show your love to her. She's the best. She's the best. You will love her, and she makes amazing videos. So do check her channel out. And we will go home now. And I made rajma, which again she will try for the first time. Yeah. Yeah, rajma and roti, which we made yesterday, but we were not hungry yesterday. We started watching movie. We watched Queen. She loved Queen.
Yeah, it was such a good movie.
Yeah.
She was so cute.
Yeah, and she was the one who was giving us like all the French context and translation from the movie, which they were not putting subtitle for. So we were like, what are they saying, Amandin?
It was so funny.
Yeah. I'm like, we were telling her the Hindi part and she was telling us the French part, so it was so fun. Overall, we had a really good New Year,
Yeah,
right?
it
It was really
amazing.
fun, yeah. And the temple was amazing. It was beautiful. So we'll see you in the next video. For now, bye-bye and Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Bon année.
Bon année in French, and Yarse Bok Mani Padiseo in Korean. Happy New Year! Bye-bye! Yeah, and then mix with the other one and keep it ready and just eat right away. Don't
Yeah,
wait.
yeah,
The whole thing goes in your mouth. How's it? How's it? It's good? Wow. How's the flavor? It's too many flavors, right? I love her reaction.
I love it.
Yeah, it's good, right? Give her one more. She's too immersed in the flavor, so she cannot make one now. So, but yeah,
Ah, it's good.
it's good, right?
Yeah, it has like a bit of like a sugary, sweet taste.
And
Which
tangy.
one do you want more? Sugary taste or the sauce?
Mix,
Same,
just keep
same.
mixing.
It was really
It
good.
should be mixed always.
Like it's good because there's the liquid and then you have the whole the crunchy
Yeah,
part.
yeah.
It's so good. It's so good.
Yeah, because. And drink this water. Drink it.
Above it.
She's like under pressure. I am under pressure. Performance pressure.
Because whenever our Golgappa is
Good, right?
Mm.
Songgong.
Songbong.
Yeah.
Wow.